M18 fuel 16 gauge angle finish nailer definitely does drive the nails consistent, sub flush every time.
Creates a better product, better finish in the end.
You don't have any chips, you don't have any peeling of the wood. It's nice and uniform, it looks a lot more professional.
Power and the fire rate is great. Sinks them clean, consistently. The size and the weight are great. It's easy to have on me at all times. It's easy to hold, comfortable over my head.
We don't have to drag hoses around, we don't have to listen to noisy compressors, tight corners against walls, it fits well.
Definitely delivers an accurate hole, accurate placement, shoots a nail right where you want it to.
Having the zero ramp up is just great. It makes things go that much faster, less downtime, keeps things moving smoothly.
The angled finish nailer is always ready to fire. It's great, it's fast, very consistent. You can shoot them about as fast as it goes.
This finish nailer is definitely my choice over pneumatic tools. With the portability of it, the ease of use.
It definitely speeds up your productivity and quality of work.
It has a lot of power, it's fast, performs flawless every time.